Best diesel motor oils. Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. The Delo 400 XLE heavy-duty Synblend diesel engine oil 15W40 is a premium semi-synthetic formulation designed for modern diesel and gasoline engines, providing excellent protection and performance in demanding conditions. Packaged in a 1-gallon container, this oil meets the needs of both on-road and off-road applications, including trucks, buses, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery. Its SAE 15W40 viscosity grade offers strong cold start performance while maintaining stability under high operating temperatures. Formulated with Isosin advanced technology, Delo 400 XLE Synblend delivers outstanding wear protection, deposit control, and oxidation resistance. It meets or exceeds API CK4, CJ4, and SN service categories, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of engines, including those equipped with exhaust after-treatment systems like diesel particulate filters, DPFs, selective catalytic reduction, SCR, and exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, systems. The low SAPs, sulfated ash, phosphorus, and sulfur formulation helps reduce emissions and prolong the life of emission control devices, making it suitable for modern low-emission engines while remaining backward compatible with older models. Advanced detergents and dispersants keep engines clean by controlling soot and sludge buildup, enhancing overall reliability and extending oil drain intervals under proper maintenance schedules. Delo 400 XL also provides excellent shear stability and maintains viscosity over time, ensuring consistent lubrication under high loads and severe driving conditions. It is recommended for mixed fleets, reducing the need for multiple oil types. This high-performance diesel engine oil helps maximize engine life, maintain fuel efficiency, and reduce total operating costs. Number 2. AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The Delco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit is specifically designed for the 3.0L Duramax diesel LM2 engine, offering a complete solution for routine maintenance. This kit includes 6 quarts of Delco DexosD 0W20 full synthetic engine oil and a premium Delco oil filter, ensuring optimal engine performance and protection. The DexosD 0W20 oil is formulated to meet GM's DexosD diesel engine specification and API CK4 standards, delivering exceptional wear protection, oxidation resistance, and deposit control. Its low-viscosity 0W20 grade enhances cold start performance, reduces friction, and promotes improved fuel efficiency, while maintaining robust protection under high-temperature, high-load conditions. The oil's low SAPs formulation helps protect emissions systems, including diesel particulate filters, DPFs, and supports longer service life for critical components. The included Delco oil filter is engineered to capture and hold contaminants effectively, with durable materials that resist collapse and maintain filtration efficiency throughout the oil change interval. Together, the oil and filter provide comprehensive engine protection by reducing wear, controlling soot buildup, and maintaining cleaner engine internals. This maintenance kit is OEM approved and ideal for owners seeking to preserve factory warranty coverage while ensuring peak performance of their 3.0L Duramax LM2 diesel engine. It supports extended drain intervals when used as recommended and helps lower long-term maintenance costs by promoting engine longevity, efficiency, and reliability. Perfect for both professional service and DIY oil changes, it delivers a convenient, all-in-one package for diesel engine care. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. The Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W40 is engineered for high-performance diesel engines, delivering exceptional protection and performance under both normal and extreme operating conditions. Packaged in a 1-gallon container, this full synthetic oil is designed for modern low-emission and older diesel engines, making it versatile for a wide range of applications, including commercial trucks, SUVs, pickups, and heavy-duty equipment. Formulated with advanced synthetic base oils and a balanced additive system, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck offers outstanding wear protection, minimizes sludge and deposit buildup, and resists thermal breakdown even under sustained high loads and temperatures. Its 5W40 viscosity grade provides excellent low-temperature flow for easier cold starts while maintaining a strong protective film during hot, demanding operations. Meeting or exceeding API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and CH4 service categories, this oil is fully compatible with engines equipped with EGR systems, DPFs, and SCR after-treatment technologies. Its low SAPS formulation helps protect emission control systems, extending component life while keeping the engine clean. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil also offers outstanding shear stability for consistent viscosity over the oil's life and enhanced soot handling capability to prevent abrasive wear. Suitable for mixed fleets, it helps reduce maintenance complexity by serving a variety of diesel engine types. With its proven durability, fuel efficiency benefits, and ability to extend oil drain intervals under proper maintenance schedules, this oil is a trusted choice for both owner-operators and fleet managers who demand long-lasting engine performance and reliability. Number 4. Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. The Schaeffer Manufacturing Company 9000 CK4-006S Synshield OTR plus full synthetic diesel engine oil 5W40 is a premium full synthetic lubricant designed to deliver exceptional protection, performance, and efficiency for both modern and older diesel engines. Packaged in a 1-gallon bottle, it is ideal for over-the-road trucks, off-road equipment, and other heavy-duty applications requiring maximum engine protection under extreme conditions. Formulated with Schaeffer's proprietary additive technology and high-quality synthetic base oils, Synshield OTR Plus offers outstanding wear protection, enhanced oxidation stability, and excellent thermal resistance, ensuring consistent performance in high-load, high-temperature environments. Its 5W40 viscosity grade provides superior cold weather starting capability while maintaining strong film strength in hot operations, protecting critical engine components across a wide temperature range. Meeting or exceeding API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and CH4 service categories, this oil is fully compatible with EGR, SCR, and DPF-equipped engines, featuring a low SAPS formulation to protect emission control systems and extend their service life. Advanced detergents and dispersants help keep engines clean by minimizing sludge, varnish, and soot-related wear, while exceptional shear stability maintains viscosity over extended drain intervals. The Synshield OTR Plus formula also reduces friction for improved fuel economy and lower operating temperatures, supporting longer engine life and reduced maintenance costs. Trusted by fleet operators and owner-operators alike, this oil delivers reliable performance, extended service protection, and consistent lubrication in even the most demanding diesel engine environments. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. The Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 motor oil is a high-performance diesel engine lubricant designed to provide maximum protection, efficiency, and reliability under extreme conditions. This offering comes in a 3-pack of 1-gallon bottles, making it convenient for multiple oil changes or fleet use. It is formulated for a wide range of diesel engines, including heavy-duty trucks, pickups, and commercial vehicles, as well as some gasoline engines that require a robust 5W40 synthetic oil. Rotella T6 is engineered with full synthetic base oils and a proprietary additive system to provide superior wear protection, oxidation resistance, and deposit control. Its 5W40 viscosity grade ensures excellent cold start performance while maintaining strong lubrication at high operating temperatures, protecting engines under severe duty cycles. The oil's shear stability helps maintain consistent viscosity over extended drain intervals, making it ideal for long-haul and off-road applications. This motor oil meets or exceeds API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, and FA4 service categories, ensuring compatibility with modern engines equipped with diesel particulate filters, DPFs, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, and selective catalytic reduction, SCR, systems. Its low SAPS formulation helps protect emission control devices, extend component life, and maintain engine cleanliness. Rotella T6 also provides excellent soot handling capabilities, minimizing abrasive wear and sludge buildup, while improving fuel efficiency through reduced friction. Trusted by professional fleets and individual vehicle owners, it offers durable protection, reliable performance, and long-term engine health, making it a top choice for anyone seeking high-quality full synthetic diesel engine oil in bulk.